In this tutorial, we will going to talk about in-app purchase in the mobile game. In the previous tutorial, we installed in-app purchase in our project, as well as set up the Google Play license key in the project settings, as well as we set up in-app products in both Google Play Console and App Store. In this tutorial, we were going to set up in-app purchase products in Unity project. If you go to the game view and the scene view, you will notice that I have created the in-app purchases product. This is the consumable product. This one is the non-consumable product, which is 2.99, and this is the VIP subscription product, which we set up in the previous tutorial on Google Play Console and the App Store. Now we will going to set up this Unity project. First, we need to go to Tools, Mobile Monetization Pro, Integration Tool, and here, first, we need to choose the integration to be in-app purchase. And as we have already installed the in-app purchase using the package manager, we will now going to import the required scripts. Let's click on Import Required Scripts, and let's click on Import. After importing them, let's close this window and right-click in the hierarchy, create an empty game object and call it in-app purchase manager. Go to Project, Mobile Monetization Pro, Tools, IAP Manager, Scripts, and here drag and drop this Mobile Monetization Pro in-app purchase manager over here. After putting that, we need to add the consumable item, add non-consumable item, and add subscription item. Remember, you can add many consumable, non-consumable items or subscription items and even remove them. For now, we will going to use one for each of the items. Now here, for the Restore Purchase button, simply drag and drop the Restore Purchase button, which I have created on the top over here. This Restore Purchase button will going to restore the purchases on the iOS platform if the users or the player uninstalls the game. This button will make sure that non-consumable and the subscription items gets restored if the player reinstalls the game from the App Store or to any other device basically. For the Restore Purchase button, let's drag and drop the Restore Purchase button over here. For the consumable item 1, let's drag and drop this Just button over here. And for the can buy in quantity, I will keep it to be checked, as we want to make sure that the user can purchase the consumable item in quantity if he wants. Buying in quantity basically means that if you purchase it in one time, then the user will receive 5,000 coins, but during purchasing consumable item, there is an option which could let the user buy the consumable item in quantity. So for example, if we choose the quantity to be 3, that means we will going to provide user with 15,000 coins. I will going to keep it checked for now. For the product ID, we will going to copy it from the Google Play Console. Let's copy it from here and paste it over here. For this script, we can drag and drop the shop script, and here choose the function called buy more coins. Now, I have created this shop script for the demo purpose, and here if you go to this script, you will see that I have created a function called buy more coins, which basically going to receive the coins using the player prefs, and after receiving the coins, it will increment the coins by 5,000 and will going to display it in the text, and then after it will going to save it using the player prefs. Now we need to call this function. The consumable item will be purchased successfully. We will going to call this function. To call this function, let's get back to the Unity, and here go to the IP manager, and here as you can see, we have drag and drop the shop script, and we have already chose the function buy more coins. Now we will do the same thing for the non-consumable item. Let's drag and drop the non-consumable item button over here, For the product ID, let's copy and paste it. And for the checkbox, remove ads on purchase. Now, if you enable this checkbox, then the ads that you have integrated using this Mobile Monetization Pro package will be removed from the game after non-consumable item is purchased successfully. I will going to check it for now, as later when we are going to integrate ads in the game, we will test it as well. For the ad script, let's drag and drop the shop script again, and here choose the function by remove ads from game. If you look at this function, basically this function allows the user to remove the ads from the game and activate the remove ads object in the game. Now, what is remove ads object? Remove ads object is basically going to activate this game object over here, which will going to pop up and tell the user that all the ads are removed successfully except the rewarded video ads, as the rewarded video ads are depend on user's choice. They may or they may not watch. It's completely depend on them. We can deactivate this game object for now and get back to the IAP manager, and let's drag and drop the button for the subscription item. Let's drag and drop this star button over here. And for the product ID, let's go back here, go to the subscription, go to view subscription, and copy the product ID over here, and inside Unity paste it over here. For the ad script, let's drag and drop the shop script, and this time we have two options to choose: the function to invoke for activation and the function to invoke for deactivation. For this, I will choose activate weekly subscription, and for the deactivation, I will choose deactivate weekly subscription. If you look in the script, you will notice that activate weekly subscription basically going to activate the subscription object in the game, and deactivate weekly subscription will going to deactivate the subscription object in the game. We also make sure that we do not show it again and again. So once the user gets subscribed, we only call this function once and do not repeat it. So we are saving it using player prefs. And once user get deactivate the weekly subscriptions, then we reset our subscription as well as we close the subscription object in case it is activated. Back to Unity, the subscription object is basically this VIP membership activation, which tells the users that the VIP membership is now activated, and when they click on Great, this window gets closed. Let's close this. Let's go to the IAP manager and let's make sure to save these changes. Click on Save the Changes. Great. So we have successfully set up the in-app purchase product in the game. Now, let's test this in-app purchase on the Android and the iOS devices. Let's save the scene, go to File, Build Settings, and here, let's first switch the platform to Android. Let's click on Build App Bundle, Google Play, and click on Build. Make sure to add your APK in the internal testing before testing. Go to Testers, and here you can copy this link for the testing purpose. Just copy this link and open it on your mobile device, Google Play Store, and download the game, and let's start testing it. Now, on my Android device, you need to first accept the invitation you received for the internal testing program, and then download the game from the Google Play Store by clicking on download it on Google Play Store. And after here, you need to click on install. Open the game. And here, let's first try to purchase the consumable item. And here, as you can see, if I click on buy, I got 5,000 coins. Now, if I shall purchase the no ads, And after the payment successful, you can see the pop-up. All ads are successfully removed from the game except the rewarded video ads. Let's click on Great. And now let's try to purchase the subscription. Let's click on Subscribe. Great. Your VIP membership is now activated. Let's click on Great. Let's reopen it up. As you can see, the 5,000 coins are saved. Let's try to purchase the consumable item again. Great. So we will see now 10,000 coins. Great. So it's working on the Android device. Now let's take the game and test it on the iOS device. To test the game on the iOS device, we need to go to File, Build Settings, choose the platform to be iOS and click on Switch Platform. Now let's click on Build and upload this APK to the test flight over here. To do that, go back to Unity, click on Build. Open this Unity iPhone Xcode project. After opening up the Xcode project, go to Unity iPhone, give an app category to your game, and check everything. And then after clicking on Product, click on Archive, on Distribute App, and here choose the Test Flight and App Store and click on Distribute. Click Done. Go to App Store Connect, refresh the page, and you will see your build over here in the test flight section. Once the processing will be finished, you will see the status of this build, and here to invite testers, we need to click on plus sign over here and then provide a group name. Now I have already gone and created a group name called testers. If you go over here, you will notice that here you can invite testers. Now here I have already gone and added me myself as a tester, and once the processing is finished, the tester will be invited. Now once the processing is finished, click on Manage. I will choose none of the algorithms above in this case and click Save. Now here you will notice Ready to Submit. Ready to submit, and for the groups just click on the plus sign and you will notice the testers is already added and is already invited. Once the invitation is accepted, you will see the group over here like in the version 2 you can see over here. Now we need to accept the invitation. Now you will receive an email like this. Now to test this app, we need to open Test Flight on iOS device and install this update. In the App Store, you can search for Test Flight. We need to install this Test Flight by Apple and click Open. In your first email, you will receive a code. You need to click on Redeem and here add the invitation code that you have received. After adding the invitation code, click Redeem and then go to your app and click Install. Now let's try to purchase the consumable item. Let's click Purchase and here you need to enter your password. Great. On successful purchase, you will see a window appear. You're all set. Your purchase was successful. When you click OK, you will notice 5,000 coins has received to the player. Let's now try to purchase the non-consumable. Click Purchase. And as you can see, ads are removed and except the rewarded video ads. Click Create. And for the subscription, let's click Subscribe. Great. Now you can even uninstall this game, and let's reinstall it from the test flight to test the restore purchase button, restore purchases. And as you can see, once I click on restore purchases, it automatically shows that all ads are already removed from the game and your VIP membership is now activated, which is we already know. All the purchases got resetted except the consumable purchases. Restoring the consumable item, you basically need a server-side solution which can store the player's data related with the coins, chest, or any reward basically to restore the player's purchases for the consumable item. Now, this package does not come with the server-side solution. Great. So we successfully integrated the in-app purchase for both the Android and the iOS device. Thanks for watching this video.